They said it's a GMC, so I'm assuming it's going to be a little small one. I'm not 100% sure. We'll find out here soon. Or it could be like the Isuzu style. Don't know yet. We'll see. Supposed to be up here at the Dollar General. Supposed to be in here. Yep, just a little baby. Oh, that is like in the worst spot ever. I want to haul it from the rear, is what I want to do. It's supposed to be empty too. Let's see what the rear looks like. Make sure it's something good to grab. Under there. It does have that. It's not a frame extension, right? Oh no. That'd be good if I can angle myself in here. My trunk's nasty. It's cold this morning. It was 34 when I left the house. Up. I'm not gonna be 100% straight on this thing because I'm gonna have to hit it at an angle. So that, let's see if that'll work. We'll see if that'll work. That may not be enough. I may have to come over more this way. We're just gonna take some quick pictures, and then we're gonna see if we can straighten that steering wheel out. Hook it up. It's supposed to be empty. I just don't, I'm blocking the entire road here, so entrance to the place. I could have put this in a little better spot. Key's supposed to be right there. That's pretty close, huh? That's pretty close. A little bit more. There you go. What is it? I don't know what's there. strap too on it just to be safe. Alright. See if we can get her hooked up. I gotta go far underneath. Where's my gloves? Gloves I was using because they were. Did I leave them up here? I don't know what my other ones are though. Like I said, maybe a little too crooked, but we're gonna try it. See how we fare out. Frame extension, right? Don't look like one. Even if it just hits it, be okay with it. Okay. That's really low though. I'll be okay. That should be enough to get one of these on. Get them started anyways. And what you're looking for on these, you got to make sure there's no frame extension, because if there's a frame extension, do not grab the extension part, because if you do, there's a chance it could break. A lot of people don't care. They'll grab them. I mean, no. I just want to get out of the middle of the road where somebody decides they're gonna wipe me out. Of course, we want to push these in. A lot of people don't like doing it. I do. That keeps getting them knocked off or something happening. I know y'all probably can't see much because my big ass head putting y'all up in the tighter. Where's it out? I'm trying to hit my head. On the other side, get the light bar. Gotta put the light bar on it. Really not the way to do the light bar, so I just throw it on the dash. So I'm not saying it's what you should do, but now it's supposed to be empty, so that's what I was told anyway. Yeah, hook that over there. Alright, that shouldn't move. Double tighten this one up. Now my little wrecker, I tied up those axles to chain those axles up so that they wouldn't sag, so that it would be a little bit better of a height for me. Got plenty of turning room. Technically suck it in a little bit more if I want to. Suck it in just a little bit. Should be alright. Alright. Put that in there. Put that in there. Actually charging. I'll clean it a little bit. Alright. Let's Call this to Mr. Flicks. Oops, nope, hit the wrong button. Now we gotta try to get out of here, which is gonna be hard because now everybody and their brother's pulling in this freaking place. Pickup truck's over there. See if we can manage to squeeze out of here. I don't know if we're going to. I'll watch that little truck right there. Y'all see we got it loaded. It's back there. And we're gonna work our way out. Hope y'all enjoyed the short little video, and we will probably see you on the next one. Well, we will see you on the next one. I got videos coming out this week. I'm getting behind. So, but hopefully, well, by the time you see this one, you should be seeing another one in about an hour. I got them scheduled, been trying to get them out ahead of time so that y'all guys will be able to enjoy them, and when I'm busy, I don't have to worry about not getting them out. So, all right, guys, we'll see y'all in the next one, and y'all enjoy y'all's day, and see ya.